Coronavirus patient dies every 13 minutes in the UK, with the daily death count having topped 100 for the first time yesterday. 133 people died in the last 24-hour period. It was announced on Thursday afternoon. The deadly pandemic has now killed a total of 578 in Britain since the first known cases in January, while 11,658 have tested positive with COVID-19. This comes as figures show 300 beds in NHS hospitals have already been taken by virus patients as doctors, nurses and other medical staff work round the clock. Roadblocks were put in place to catch motorists flouting the lockdown, with police to fine drivers if they do not have essential reasons for travel. People across the UK, meanwhile, stood in united support of the NHS at 8 p.m. on Thursday by clapping in remarkable show of appreciation. Locked down Britons took to their balconies and doorsteps to applaud health workers who are battling the pandemic. The emotional show of solidarity came as NHS Chief Sir Simon Stevens called the crisis the worst since the Second World War. Clapping, banging pots and pans, cheering and waving at neighbours with whom they are no longer able to shake hands, vast numbers of people took part in the Clap for Our Carers initiative. Sir Simon said, "I don't think in the history of the NHS there's been anything quite like it. The nearest parallel can think of is the way the London hospitals and emergency services came together in the Second World War." Analysis of the first 386 fatal victims of the virus in the UK found 98% had underlying health issues. Public Health England Medical Director Professor Yvonne Doyle told the Commons Health Committee, "At the moment it is very rare for people to die who do not have some other conditions. A review of protective kit is underway with fears staff who have no symptoms are passing on the virus due to the lack of proper equipment. Around a third of cases could show no symptoms with the incubation phase lasting up to 5 days," said Professor Doyle.